Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As you can probably tell, yesterday we got slammed with a storm. That is the neon, in case you're curious. My driveway catches all the snow because of all the wind. So over here on my grass, it's about 16, 17 inches. But then over by the driveway, without the shovel, is about 30, 34 inches. So we got about 2 feet of snow. All right, so I'm gonna get started on this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be thankful that you don't live in New Jersey. All right, just taking a little break. I'd say we're like 1/10 the way done. Not bad. All right, people, the BMW has been stuck for quite some time now. That is all the progress I've made. I'm able to kind of go back and forth and shimmy it, but I'm being very lazy and not digging out this side, so kind of doing it to myself. So I found an awesome opportunity to try out these snow tracks, which I've used before, not this exact brand, and I love them. They're awesome. They've gotten me out of almost every single situation I've needed them to. So let's give these a shot and see if they get me out of this one, because this is probably the worst I've ever been buried in. They definitely did their job. Unfortunately, I couldn't keep my momentum and get to the top where I wanted to, but this is definitely good enough. So I'm kind of wondering, that is the one on the right side of the car, but I don't see the one that was on the left side of the car. So I'm hoping it didn't get jammed up in the wheel well or something. And it did not. Actually, my back tire was just about to catch on it, so maybe I was about to make it up here, but I'm not going to test it. Actually, yes I am. Let's test it. All right, I'm gonna be the one to say it. That was 50% those wheel tracks and 50% the E46 being nasty in the snow. And in case anyone was wondering, because I kind of was, I am still leaking coolant. So I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I should be posting a lot of content with this storm here because there's a lot to film. So on to the next one.